Earlier on, I was mentioning anything territorials. Really, they have a lot of competition. We now have these young males here. It happens that they grow around the area, more especially the young males. We're not sure how many young males here. And we get to see that when they're about like a year and a half. Really, if we get to around 2.5 years old, automatically they're going to pull out from the pride itself, even the dominant male might push them out and go somewhere else. And really, because of that, they go away from the pride and would be looking around for the area where they can challenge other males and take over from the dominant sheep. They might go far as north or east, doesn't matter. And wherever they will challenging fight, they'll push other males from the territory, also operating with the females. So they have to compete. Sometimes they find that they challenge a fight and they don't win and keep on going. Maybe spend a month and come back again to the same males, try to push them eventually until they get to win the territory and start to operate with the female. Especially if males are becoming old, there will be a problem. And the female, what they can do, if they see a new males that coming in and look like they will protect the whole pride, they tend to be a lot more interested with the new males. As long as they're big and experienced when it comes to fighting. It's very amazing. If you look at our character, judge, our buffalo in the area that hangs around at the bachelor head, he doesn't have horns at all to protect himself, but he's surviving in the area. I mean, this pride here is the biggest pride that we have in the area. If they come across with judge because he's hornless, he might become a dinner. His brothers are about to leave the area. There's not much left meat here. So really what they can do, they want to leave the carcass and the skeleton, also the skin. You see that hyenas are going to take care of it. And sometimes if hyenas are away from the area, which may happen because of the dominant male, we have vultures that we have seen earlier on sitting here on the trees waiting for the lion to depart. Really, soon the girls off, the vulture would land down and nibbling all this meat in between the bone, in between the ribs, and anything that will be left over, and they're going to nibble themselves. Then you're going to fit it the beak. When the hyena get there, they might get skin and the bones. They can be happy with that, I believe, because hyena is designed actually on eating bones. The female more to our left, you can see what she's doing there. Stopping. But it's more common when the lion kills something because of the inside of the buffalo. They can really want to bury that, or they can do that because of it's getting a little bit more hot in the area. She will dig the ground and get more little bit cold, then she can settle on the ground. So easy. By the time prior they might be seeking the shadow, it's one thing they will need, because really heat burns a lot of energy on the body of that animal itself. Looking for the female that she's coming here, and also she's look like not having youngster. She's still gonna mate, or she already mated with the male. She might be expecting him very soon. It's not more amazing for this brat from the beginning when we get to spot them coming out from Kruger. They were not very relaxed with vehicle, especially our design of the vehicle tend to be a problem for the animal around here. But really, we start to witness something good. They're coming so close. This lion is not far from us. It's very, very close here. Very amazing. Sometimes I have to be quiet because the lions are getting close and close.